friends, thanks for joining. Today we are making something going crazy on TikTok right now. It's the yogurt toast, and it looked like a fun and easy way to have breakfast, so we thought we'll give it a try.
It doesn't have anything specific in terms of measurements, so you're just gonna have to go with your gut in terms of how many toasts you feel like eating. So it said just a couple teaspoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt. So I'm like, okay, that could mean 2, it can mean 3. So I'm gonna start off with 2. Okay, and to that Greek yogurt, we're gonna add a whole egg. Which sounded a little, I'm like, wow, a whole egg, and you're using 1 tablespoon. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a lot of gooiness, but if TikTok says.
That's right. If TikTok says it, it's right, Gina? Okay. So it said to add some maple syrup as your sweetener, or you could use honey, whatever you got. I'm using some good old maple syrup. So the recipe seemed really easy. It was like Greek yogurt, an egg, and some sweetener, which is maple syrup or honey. But you know, you can make it your own. So I'm gonna do a little dash of cinnamon. Why not, right?
Well, I have strawberry flavored yogurts. I think I'm good. Oh, okay. Mine looks really eggy. And in the TikTok video, when they had the custard, it looked like it looked like just yogurt. Oh, that sounds good. Can you hear it? Smackety smackety. Okay, when the custard's done, we're going to put indents in the middle of your bread slice to make a well. And this is where you're going to pour in the custard. And when you're done filling it with custard, you can add your favorite toppings.
Okay, so we're supposed to stick it in the air fryer for 45 seconds. 4 to 5 seconds, not 45. But we're gonna stick it in the oven instead because I feel like not everyone has an air fryer. I just recently got one. So we're gonna stick it in the oven instead at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Gonna keep our eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. And then we're gonna eat. It's so pretty. How does yours look?
Nice and toasty and
Yay!
jiggly. But that could be all the yogurt I put in there.
Mine actually looks like custard. Oh, here's the test. Not dripping. Yay, we did something right for once.
It's holding a little bit.
Ooh.
Oh, want to show it to you?
It looks so cute. I will tell you guys, I actually turned my heat up. It was 350. I turned it up to 375, then I turned it up to 400, and I've turned it up to 425. And it actually took me 14 minutes to get to this beautiful golden result.
I mean, for a quick recipe, it felt a bit long at the end, waiting for this thing to cook.
Because we didn't use our air fryer. It's on us.
Great crunch on the toast. Custard's not bad. I think I kind of like it because of the chocolate chips, but other than that, I don't know. I don't think I would eat this or make it again.
I'm gonna accept it for what it is. Something different to try if you're, I think the idea is are you tired of avocado toast? Try this yogurt toast. I mean, it's not bad. I guess my question is, what's all the hoopla about it? It's just okay. Like, kind of cool. I guess it's a cool hack. I would get more enjoyment out of butter and jelly, or, you know, jam. It's up to you if you want to try it. I feel like you should, just so that you can talk about it with everyone else. So thanks for joining. Make sure you hit that bell, subscribe, and we will see you guys again next week.
How do we make this drink?
So we need 1 ounce of silver tequila.
I'm living dangerously.